Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to make glitter makeup brushes. I have another tutorial on my channel showing how to make rhinestone makeup brushes, and someone commented asking if I could do a glitter one as well. This project is much less tedious and time-consuming, but will still add lots of sparkle to your makeup brushes. I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step. I started with these 3 makeup brushes that have smooth plastic handles. For this project, I'm using glossy Mod Podge, 3 different colors of craft glitter, and UV resin, which is optional. There are links to each of these products in the description of this video. First, apply a generous layer of glossy Mod Podge to the brush handle. I like to use a foam brush. Then, shake the loose glitter all over the brush handle so that it sticks to every inch of the Mod Podge. It's helpful to do this over a piece of parchment paper so that you can pour a generous amount over the brush and easily dump the excess back into the package. The yellow glitter I used is a chunky glitter that's translucent, which doesn't give full coverage, especially if your brush has any markings on it like this one does. You may also find that chunkier glitter doesn't stick as well. After letting the Mod Podge fully dry, I applied a second coat of this glitter to give a more even coverage. But the black logo is still visible through it. You can avoid this by painting over any logos first before applying the Mod Podge and glitter. I use acrylic paint. On the second brush, I used a fine pink glitter that is not transparent. This one gave full coverage of the brush handle and only needed 1 coat. On the third brush, I used a superfine blue glitter, which also gave full coverage with just 1 coat. If you're using a superfine glitter, you want to make sure your Mod Podge application is nice and smooth, because any lumps in it will be more visible than with chunkier glitters. Once you're happy with the coverage on your brushes, the final step is to seal in the glitter. One way to do this is to apply another coat or 2 of Mod Podge. This will seal in the glitter enough to keep it from flaking off, but you will probably be able to feel the texture of the glitter through it. It's not extremely strong, but it will do the trick. I prefer to seal in the glitter with a coat of UV resin because it's extremely durable, it gives a finish that is completely smooth to the touch, and it's also much shinier than the finish on the Mod Podge. I pour some UV resin all over the handle and spread it all over with a gloved hand. Then I pop it under my UV lamp and make sure to continuously spin it for a couple of minutes while it cures, so that I don't end up with any drips or uneven areas. And here is the final result. This is a really fun and easy way to customize your makeup brushes and add some sparkle. It's also a great way to differentiate between them if your brushes all look similar. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. See you later!